All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. That's what my father used to tell me. He grew up in the city, you see, a place where part of you gets lost. That part that can breathe a bit slower. That part that can play. That part that can think at its own pace. When you get away from the city, things are very different, I've always thought. You can eat what you sow. Get amongst the trees. To press your foot against the soil that bears you. Or out on the water, where the only ripple is behind your boat. Or stare up at a night sky, so full of stars that the sky shimmers. To sit by the fire and think on the breathless day just past. There's space here to do whatever you need space for. So when I think of my father and his sayings, it makes me tell you to come out here where it's all play and no work.